Friends, this is Latif for Well, and welcome to the new update on XRP. The Ripple coin is still going better than the Bitcoin. So in today's video, we will try to understand whether it will be remain better or it will be moved down. So first of all, I would like to show you these head and shoulder patterns on the daily chart, and after that, we will watch a little bit comparison between the XRP and the Bitcoin price action, and we will also watch the different moving averages and the channels on the daily chart and on the weekly chart as well, and the different support and resistance levels on the long-term weekly chart. And at the end of this video, I would like to show you this really very big move that is formed by the price action of XRP on the weekly chart. Now, first of all, I would like to show you this move that the price action of XRP formed a head and shoulder pattern, and after that, the price action again formed another head and shoulder pattern after the mid of March. And after completing of this head and shoulder pattern, when the price action moved up to the neckline of this next pattern, it turned very strong bullish and produced more than 63% bullish rally. You can see that the price action turned bullish from the 2nd July up to the 9th of July, more than 63%. If we watch the Bitcoin from the 2nd July, for example, from this day up to 9th or 8th of July, then that was a really very small rally by the Bitcoin. So it is still moving or going better than the Bitcoin. At this time, if we want the different simple moving averages, then after being rejected by the 200 simple moving average, it is having a good support of 100 and then 50 simple moving average. I'm expecting that the 50 simple moving average will be moved up and form a bull cross with the 100 simple moving average. If it will be happen, then it will produce a very powerful bullish rally, and it can break out the 200 simple moving average, because whenever the small time period moving average crosses up the bigger time period moving average, it produces a bullish rally. And if it will be happen here, then definitely it will be helpful for the price line to have a breakout from this resistance. This is really very strong resistance. You can see that even after several attempts, the price action is not able to break out this 200 simple moving average resistance. And this time we are having the 150 simple moving average supports. Therefore, we can expect that the price action can again move up to break out this resistance level. And if we watch on the daily chart, the price action, this was also the daily chart. I'm just showing you the down channel that has been formed on the daily chart. And this is the resistance of the channel, and this is the support of the channel. So we are having two resistance, very strong resistance. One is the 200 simple moving average, and other one is the resistance of this down channel. And if we place the moon phases indicator on this channel, that is really very useful indicator to predict whether the price action will break out the resistance of the channel or not. Then we can see that this is the full moon and this is the dark moon. This is the bullish moon and this is the bearish moon. And we can see that is at this time the full moon is at the resistance of this channel. Therefore, we can expect that it will be difficult for the price line to have a breakout, because it will be difficult for the price line to cross up this level. And if we want the dark moon, then it is moved up. For example, previous dark moon was here at this level, and the new dark moon is appeared higher than the previous dark moon. This is an optimistic signal and positive signal, or you can say the bullish signal as well. But we have still dark moon below the resistance, below this support of this channel. Therefore, it will be easy for the price line to reach up to this level of dark moon, and there will be chances that the price action can break down this support. However, that is not mandatory. If we have the dark moon here, it will be broken down, because we can see that we had the dark moon here, here, and also here. But the price action did not reach up to that level because we have this support between the dark moon and the price action that is topping the price line to reach up to that level. And we are also having the support of 150 simple moving averages as well. And these moving averages will definitely try to stop the price line to move down. Therefore, that is also another optimistic signal that we are at the resistance of this down channel, and in the meanwhile the price action is also having the support of 150 simple moving averages as well. And if I show you on the weekly chart, this is the long-term weekly chart, then the price action has formed a falling wedge pattern. Seems to be like a down channel, but there is a difference between this resistance and this support line. For example, if I will copy this support line, and you can see that this support line is moving a little bit upside. Therefore, this is a wedge pattern, not the channel, and the price action is moving towards the resistance of this channel, and this is a very long-term falling wedge pattern, as you can see that it is started since September 2018, and so far the price action did not break down or break out the support and the resistance of this falling wedge pattern. Now, if we want the different support and resistance level on the long-term weekly chart, then we have a key support at that is 7.5 cents, 17.5 cents. And if we want the key level resistance, that is 31 cents. Once this resistance level will be broken out, then the price action can start a very long-term bullish rally on the long-term chart. Now, I would like to show you this pattern that has been formed on the weekly chart. That is a really very big bullish butterfly pattern. And this was the initial leg. And after initial leg, we have the retracement between 0.618 to 0.786 Fibonacci. Then we have the projection between 0.382 to 0.886 Fibonacci projection. Then finally, it is retraced between this area. I've just posted this chart on 31st of May. I'm just playing this chart now. And you can see that the price action just entered in the potential reversal zone that starts from 1.27 and ends up to 1.618 Fibonacci retracement level, and now it is gearing up, and I'm expecting that soon it will be entered as per Fibonacci sequence of this XRP BDC bullish butterfly pattern from 0.382 to 0.786 Fibonacci projection of A to D leg. And as per Fibonacci projection, I've predicted this chart, and this starts from 2,400 Satoshis and ends up to 3,300 Satoshis. This is the Bitcoin chart, the XRP with Bitcoin chart. And definitely if the price action will be moved against the BDC, then definitely it will be moved in the US dollar as well, as we can see that at this time the price action of XRP is moving against the Bitcoin as well. Therefore, we can see that the price action of XRP is more bullish than the Bitcoin. And this is the main reason that it has formed a bullish chart, bullish pattern against the BDC in the Bitcoin market. And by the way, I would like to show you this blog that I have newly created on the Blogspot, and I will share my all ideas here with the complete targets, buying and sell targets. For example, if I'll forget to share with you anything in the videos here on the YouTube and on the different platforms, I will also share those things here in my this blog, so you can find all the videos and with the complete detailed articles here in my blog. And I hope that you will also support this blog as you are supporting my channel as well. So this was the update so far by the XRP price action. And by the way, I've also shared the link of this blog in the video's description as well. You can find there. And this idea that I've shared with you, this weekly butterfly pattern, has potential to produce more than 113%. However, if the price action will be able to cross this level, then it can produce a really very big and long-term bullish rally. So this was the update so far by the XRP price action. If I'll have more updates, I'll definitely share with you. Take care. Goodbye.